Ryan Breton has our forecast. Back to the very April weather out there for yet another day.
We are holding on hope, on to hope for tomorrow afternoon, though.
Yes, every time we see you this evening, I'm like, all right, so tomorrow night is definitely.
Yeah.
If it doesn't work out, I'm going to be in trouble tomorrow.
Yes, go into hiding.
I'm glad you're focusing on the good stuff.
You have to, especially given a rainy Sunday is coming up too. So.
Right, that's just going to drop that in there too, by the way. Okay.
And I'll start with this map, which has looked the same just about every night all week.
All week.
Southern New England into the warmth. Worcester up to 82. Hartford 85. New York City earlier today was up close to 90. Obviously today it's a little bit cooler than the last couple of days because this onshore flow is even a bit more established. Now back in this warm air, we're waiting to see how many showers and storms pop up. Sometimes the radar gets blocked here over the Green Mountains. So there are some downpours and storms around there, and even a chance for a severe storm. But so far today, there hasn't been too much that's materialized. Either way, whatever comes in here will weaken given the cooler air that's in place. Right now, we have some rain from Jackman up through the Allagash and Van Buren. That's where it will be wettest over these next couple of hours. In central and southern Maine, it's really late evening. We have a chance for a shower or a downpour. And this particular model has been pretty insistent on getting a thunderstorm in here. But I think other than a rumble of thunder, it's just going to be some rain that slides through tonight. We start tomorrow morning with clouds and maybe a lingering shower. Also some areas of fog are possible late tonight, very early tomorrow morning. And then through the day, we have clearing that comes down from north to south. Again, the last place to see sunshine tomorrow is probably the seacoast in southern York County. But most other places end up with a nice afternoon. And the wind should be out of the north enough that even the coast gets into the 60s tomorrow. And the more sun we see, the warmer it will get tomorrow afternoon. Saturday, we have an onshore flow, lots of clouds, especially at the coast, and maybe even a little drizzle late in the day. And then for Sunday, this front comes in with showers in the morning, a period of steadier rain late morning into the afternoon that can end as a little bit of snow with any elevation on Sunday. If you add up the rain that we get tonight and the rain that we get through Sunday, it's about a ½ inch to an inch across the state. As for any snow, I think there are some wet flakes Sunday afternoon and evening that could make it down into the foothills in the higher elevations and perhaps around Rangeley and Greenville. An inch or two of wet snow possible on the backside of that front on Sunday. Tomorrow sees around 2 feet with a north to easterly wind about 5 knots. So overnight we have the rain that moves through, a shower possible tomorrow morning, maybe with a little drizzle and fog first thing. Then the afternoon does turn brighter with temps up into the 60s. Inland on Saturday, a little bit more sun, but clouds increase through the day. Along the coastline, it looks pretty gray on Saturday and quite cool with the wind off the ocean. Wet Sunday and then chilly early next week. Low temperatures on Tuesday in the 20s. We'll try to rebound closer to normal Wednesday and Thursday next week.